Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and the viewers, I am Mustafa Abu Raihan, Assistant Head Teacher of Dhuliapur High School. Today, I am going to discuss about an important topic of class 8 students. It's Unit 2, Food and Nutrition. And it's the lesson number 1, Good Food. Good food. At the beginning of our class, I like to discuss with the students of class 8 about their new syllabus and their mark distribution. I think already you have got the syllabus, and here you can see your first paper and grammar combinedly makes the English only one name, English. Here first paper and second paper. In first paper, you have to read about Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 5. There is unseen passage. From the unseen passage, you have to read so many unseen passages and then practice about information transfer. And another topic is writing paragraph. In grammar portion, there is articles, changing sentence. Is changing sentences er khetre change of voice, affirmative to negative, assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to assertive, and assertive to imperative. And number 3, suffix, prefix, or suffix, prefix both. And number 4, punctuation. These are commonly make English. Here, mark distribution is from the seen passage, that is English first paper. There is a passage for you from Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 or Unit 5. And from this passage, you have to perform some multiple choice question, and a multiple choice question there is 5 marks. Then open-ended question. In open-ended question, there will be 5 question and every question marked 2 equal to 10 marks. Then unseen passage. This unseen passage you have to practice about information transfer, and there is 5 marks from information transfer and a paragraph that will bears 10 marks. In these 30 marks from English first paper and second paper or grammar part, there is articles 5 marks, suffix, prefix 5 marks, changing sentences 5 marks, and punctuation 5 marks. Total 20. And first paper and second paper combinedly bears 50 marks. Then, dear students, here Unit 1, Unit 2. Now we are discuss about Unit 2, Lesson 1. Lesson on Unit 2 is good food. Here is some keywords. Nutritious. Nutritious. Substances. Physical. Structure. Here physical means শারীরিক, শরীর সম্বন্ধীয় means physical. Then nutritious. Nutritious means পুষ্টিকর, the food that build our body and help to the physical growth. Substances means উপকরণ, that a kind of food contains. A structure. A structure হচ্ছে গঠন, শারীরিক গঠন বা অন্যান্য গঠনের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা স্ট্রাকচার ব্যবহার করি। Now here is the passage for you. Miss Rehana, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food. Food is very important for our body, she says. We can't live without it. So you must always have good food. What's good food, teacher? Asks a student. Good food means the right kind of food for good health, says Mrs. Rehana. It is nutritious. It must contain natural substances that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. But remember, you must not eat too much though the food is good. Eating too much is bad for health. You have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. So, we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. It depends of your growth and physical structure. This is the passage, good food. From this passage, you have to perform some multiple choice question and some open-ended question. Previously, you knew that you have 15 marks. You have 15 marks in this passage. 5 marks for multiple choice and 10 marks for open-ended question. So, it's very important to practice on these two types of topics. In page number 14 from your EFT, question, answer the following questions. Here you can see 5 questions. What is Mrs. Rehana talking about? Why do we eat food? What is meant by nutritious food? How much food does a person need to eat a day? Does everyone need the same amount of food? Why? Here is 5 question, open-ended question, and every question bears 2 marks. So, you must practice these questions and some completing sentences to do well in the exam. You have also find 5 multiple choice question here. To answer the questions, you must read the passage clearly and try to understand the meaning of the passage. Another important topic is a paragraph can be set up from this lesson 1, and the name of the paragraph would be good food or nutritious food. So, you have to write down a paragraph from this lesson on about good food. Sorry, good food, it's a paragraph. I hope you all try to write a paragraph about this topic, and in our next class we will see again with another topics. Till then, keep safe and practice your lessons so that you can do well in the incoming examination. Thank you all. Sir, Kharil sir,